Welcome to Terra Naturals. In this video, let's explore the making of Rose Bioenzyme. Both concentrated and diluted Rose Bioenzyme used as a plants booster, surface cleaner, room freshener, and used as an activator in some cosmetics. I made some cosmetics with the help of this bioenzyme as a preservative and uploaded some videos. To know about hair serum and hair conditioner with bioenzyme, click the link in the description box and stay tuned. Add 10 ml of diluted bioenzyme with 1 liter of water and spray to plants and notice the results. Let's get started our recipe. The ratio of any bioenzyme should be 15:10:3:1. If the container capacity is 15 times, water capacity should be 10 times and rose 3 times and jaggery 1 time. Mix all together and keep the container aside. It's a 90 days process. First 30 days you should open and close the lid. Next 60 days rest the container as it is, and after 90 days the bioenzyme is ready to use. After 90 days, you can see the formation of white layer on the top. So our bioenzyme is perfectly ready. Filter the enzyme using a white cloth or filter like this. I got the pleasant smell in this bioenzyme. This is the first time I am doing this rose bioenzyme. I just love the color and fragrance of this rose bioenzyme. Just give a try to this bioenzyme and leave your feedback in the comment section. After filtering the diluted bioenzyme, you have to grind the pulpy rose bioenzyme. This pulpy bioenzyme is concentrated. Concentrated rose bioenzyme is ready. A bioenzyme is produced by microbes. When a particular microbe is placed in a right biological environment, that microbe will produce enzymes. Bioenzymes are effective, environmentally friendly, cost effective and convenient to use. They are degradable, so they easily break down and dissolve with soil. For bioenzymes, the proper measurement is compulsory. Always remember the ratio 15:10:3:1. Both concentrated and diluted bioenzymes are ready to use. In my upcoming videos, I will share all my bioenzymes which I have tried. Let us check whether the bioenzyme formed successfully or not. If you see the white layer like this, bioenzyme formed successfully. If you see the black layer like this, bioenzyme has spoiled, so add some amount of jaggery to recover it. If you see some worms like this, again the bioenzyme has spoiled, add some jaggery to recover it. If you see the green color like this, the bioenzyme fully spoiled and you have to discard it. Stay tuned for other bioenzymes. Thank you for watching. If you like this video useful, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos.